This video is about estimate area by trapezoidal rule. The trapezoidal rule given in the booklet. This h equals b minus a over n equals x1 minus x0. Or you could say equals common difference of sequence x0, x1, x2 until xn. In other words, this h you can write down x2 minus x1 or x3 minus x2 or equals x sub n minus x sub n minus 1. Also, the lower bound a equals xo, upper bound b equals x sub n. When you use this trapezoidal rule, how to label your table is very critical. We are given y0 to y sub n, then y1, y2 until y sub n minus 1. So we will label y value first, y sub 0, y sub 1, y sub 2. Last value, please label as y sub n. Corresponding x value, x sub 0, x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub n. Then we will work out this h first. Normally, I just use x1 minus xo equals 2 minus 0 equals 2. Now we need to plug into this formula. Integral xo equals 0, x sub n equals 6, f of x dx equals 1/2. H is 2. Then 2 parentheses. Just make sure you use exactly the same format. Y o is 2 plus y sub n is 1. Then plus 2 parentheses. Y sub 1 is 3.5. Y sub 2 is 2.7. Then 2 parentheses. Put this into calculator. You will get 15.4. Let's go to guided practice 2. The table below gives information about a function f. Use the information given to find an approximation for this integral. First step, always label from y0 to y sub n, y0, y1, y2, y3, y sub n. Corresponding x value, xo, x1, x2, x3, xn. Then you figure out this h is a difference between x value -1.2 minus -2.0. This will be h equals 0.8. So h equals 0.8 Now we need to plug in this formula. Integral from negative 2.0 to 1.2 of f of x dx equals 1 over 2 times the height is 0.8, 2 parentheses, yo is 3.8 plus y sub n is 1.7 plus 2 times y sub 1 is 3.4 plus 2.7 plus 2. Then 2 parentheses back. Put this into your calculator. 8.68. Let's go to guided practice 3. A modern art painting is contained in a square frame. The painting has a shaded region bounded by a smooth curve and a horizontal line. When the painting is placed on a coordinate axis, such that the bottom left corner of the painting has the coordinates of -1, -1, and the top right corner has coordinates 2, 2. The curve can be modeled by y equals f of x, and the horizontal line can be modeled by the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. Distances are measured in meters. Use the trapezoidal rule with the values given in the following table to approximate the area of the shaded region. First of all, based on this trapezoidal rule, we need to label y0, y1, y2, y sub n. Then xo, x1, x2, x sub n. H equals 0 minus -1 equals 1. Remember this h equals x1 minus xo equals 1. Then we can use this formula. Area equals 1/2 times 1 times 2 parentheses. yo is 0.6 plus y sub n is 0 plus 2 parentheses. y1 is 1.2, y2 is 1.2. Then put this into calculator. Equals 2.7. Let's go to B. The artist used the equation this to draw the curve. Find the exact area of the shaded region in the painting. The shaded region, we will use integral to figure this out. Integral. Check this is the x-axis. X coordinate is -1. X coordinate here is 2. So from -1 to 2 of negative x to the third power minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 12 over 10 dx. Put this into calculator. Let's go to this scratch pad. Go to menu, 4, 3 integral. Or you can get this by shortcut, Shift plus. Type in the value dx, then enter. Answer is 2.925. Let's go to C. Find the area of the unshaded region in the painting. This is a square frame. So the width is 3. The length is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. This is the area of the frame. So 9 minus 2.925 equals 6.075. Let's go to D. Find the percentage error between the two areas. Percentage error, we will use this formula where V sub E is the exact value. Exact value is the area by integral. V sub A is the approximate value of V. Approximate value means the area by trapezoidal rule. Therefore, for this percentage error equals absolute value. Approximate value is 2.7 minus exact value is 2.925 all over 2.925, then times 100%. Let's go to calculator. How you get absolute value? Go to this math tablet. Then here, control divide, go to fraction. 2.7 minus 2.925 over 2.925, then times 100. Enter. 7.69231%. Or you can write down 3 sig figs, 7.69%.